Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays, where we talk about flea market tips and tutorials in 2 minutes or less. Here we go.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head.
Buying lumber directly from a sawmill versus buying from big name stores. Which should you choose? For this 2-minute tip, I want to talk about buying from a local sawmill rather than buying lumber from a big name store. If you're new here, my name is Angie from Flippin' Fanchers. We usually talk about flea market tips, but today I want to talk about saving money when you purchase lumber. Buying from a local sawmill not only helps local businesses, but the lumber can be a whole lot cheaper. Big name stores usually charge between $1 and $2 per board foot. Local sawmills charge around half that price. There are pros and cons though when buying from your local sawmill. I'll put a link in the description below to another video that will tell all about these pros and cons and will help you decide. But the good thing about sawmills from somebody local is if you have trees down from a storm, you can take those trees directly to that sawmill and then we'll cut the lumber special order for you. I know that for me, I love the idea of making a mantle like the one we have here, a bench, or some other project using a tree that has been around for a very long time, and that's even on our property. I also recommend buying from your local sawmill when finding lumber for craft projects. I'll put some links below to see some of the projects that we have made with lumber sawn from our portable sawmill. And what we use is a wood miser sawmill. Now, we usually talk about flea market decor on this channel, but if you want to hear more about how we saw our lumber on the sawmill for our craft projects or for projects around our home, let me know in the comments below. If you want to only hear about flea market flips and flea market decor, let me know that as well in the comments below. Thanks for watching this 2-minute tip. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below so you won't miss any of these tips and tutorials. We'll see you next time. Bye.